Good morning everyone. Haven't done one of these in a while. It's a day in the life video, and the reason I'm doing it is number one, because many of you guys requested it, and number two, I still see so many people to this day believe that we as traders spend most of our times at a fancy restaurant or at a beautiful swimming pool trading from there. And I'm here to tell you that that right there is not the case. You see, 90% of days look like today. Hence why I decided today to pick up the camera and record how a realistic day in the life of a trader looks like, from morning till the night. I just woke up, I had a hot shower, now I'm about to have breakfast. Afterwards, I will take you guys with me. I will note down my tasks for the day, and right afterwards, we will hit the gym. So let's get into it. Ate breakfast, I noted the tasks as well, and now before we head out to the gym, I thought to give you guys a short update on how this week is looking like so far in terms of trading. Today is Tuesday, yesterday was the first trading day of this week, and so far I didn't take any setups. Yesterday I had one potential setup on US 30 that I decided to not take. Why? Because it wasn't A+. And you guys know already that I am only focusing on taking these A+ setups. And it was a good decision because that trade turned out to be a loser. And why not, before we head out, let's quickly hop on the charts and show you guys exactly why I avoided this trade and why I didn't consider it A+. In order to show you guys the setup, I'm gonna use the bar replay mode so you can see in real time exactly what was going through my mind. So right here is when I opened the chart yesterday on US 30, okay? And the first thing that I saw was that price swept this high right here, okay? We had this high, this was the most recent valid low. And seeing this, I then checked the higher time frames to see if we have any higher time frame confluence before hopping on the 5-minute to look for a market structure shift. So the first thing that I saw was that price was rejecting from this hourly VVG, okay? So we can note it here, H1 VVG. That's the first thing that I did. And after that, I went on the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, now with the bar replay tool, the candlestick will print fully, but you guys saw that price was at 44345, okay? So we were around this area here, okay? This is 44345, and we can see that price was rejecting from a 4-hour fair value gap as well. We can zoom in and see it right here. So knowing that, I knew that I had the higher time frame confluence. I had a 1-hour plus a 4-hour VVG where price was rejecting from. So knowing that, I went on the 5-minute, and on the 5-minute I knew that this is an A+ potential depending on the market structure shift. Okay, that's why I noted this right here, and then I just waited. Okay, so we can play the price. Let's play it together, and I just waited for the market structure shift. So let's continue and check this out, guys. Right here is where we have the market structure shift. Okay, we can see that price broke this low, okay, right here. It briefly broke the low, but it broke it nonetheless. Now, most of the traders would have entered on this fair value gap. They would have entered right here on this candlestick, stop loss above, and then targeting 2RR. And this theoretically would have been a valid setup, okay? It meets all of the rules. However, like I said, I'm only focusing on A+ setups, and I decided to not take this setup. Why? Very simple. I didn't like the market structure shift. We can see that this right here is a weak market structure shift. I don't have a full body closure, and check this out. This doji candle shows me that there is rejection right here. Price rejected from this bullish fair value gap, and this tells me that, okay, price might head higher. So because the market structure shift was weak, although the higher time frame confluence was looking good, I decided to not take this setup. And check this out. If we play the price, this setup would have been a loser. So if anything, yesterday we avoided taking a loss by staying true to our rules. So this is exactly, guys, why I didn't take this setup, why it wasn't A+. So yeah, I hope you guys found this quick breakdown valuable. Now let's head to the gym. All right, so I'm almost at the gym, getting the steps in. You guys know that I always like to walk towards the gym. Such a beautiful and sunny day today. Today at the gym, I will focus on the upper body. Okay, we'll focus on bench pressing, some shoulder press as well. So yeah, hope it will be a great session. Alright people, the gym session is done. It was a really good one, I'm not gonna lie, felt really motivated. Maybe it's because of the weather as well. It's really sunny today and also hot, as you guys can probably tell. Now I'm gonna head home, have lunch, and it's gonna be a full day today, okay? After that, I will have a Q&A live on IG, then I'll have a live trading session that I'll stream on YouTube, and yeah, I'll keep you updated with how things will go today. I just had a shower and ate lunch as well, and now I'm back at the desk, and soon I will go live on Instagram for a trading Q&A, and after that I will start the trading session for today. That will also be streamed on YouTube. So along the way, I will keep you guys with me. I will keep you guys updated with how things will go today. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. After the trading Q&A on IG, I think I will hop on some backtesting for 30 minutes or so. And after that, I will start the trading session. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this trading Q&A. We are live trading today. As we can see, everyone joined, a lot of messages, and we are all waiting on this GBP/USD setup. And real quick, why not? I will do a short breakdown on it. So on the hourly time frame, we have a beautiful sweep right here. Okay, we swept this valid low right here, and price is also rejecting from a unmitigated demand, which is great, plus a daily FVG. And on the 5-minute, we can see that we have a beautiful market structure shift as well. Looking aggressive, it broke the structure right there, beautiful displacement, fair value gaps were left behind, and now we are looking to enter on the second fair value gap. Okay, that's what we are waiting on, A+ setup. So yeah, everyone in the chat, Marco with the hello, A+ setup. Hello, come on chat, hit me with the messages, and you guys will appear in the day in the live. Check this out, bro, I passed the first step to my challenge in 1 week because of you. Thank you, man. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. Really happy to hear that. So the trading session for today just ended. I ended the stream as well. It was a really cool one. Many people were able to attend. Maybe you were able to attend as well. If that's the case, let me know down below. I'm really curious to see. And now that the trading session is over, I thought we should hop on the charts and show you guys exactly how it went. All right, so today we had two opportunities. The first one is on GBP/USD, and let me use the bar replay mode to show you guys in real time exactly what I saw. So right here was when I opened the chart around this time, and the first thing that I saw was that price swept this valid low right here. Okay, so we had an hourly sweep. I determined the high as well. It was this one right here, and then I asked myself, okay, do I have a higher time frame confluence? First thing that I saw was this beautiful unmitigated hourly demand level, where, as we can see, price was rejecting from. After that, I went on the 4-hour and I saw nothing. And lastly, I went on the daily and I saw that price was rejecting from this daily fair value gap. Hence why afterwards I went on the hourly, I drew a line over here and I named it H1 demand plus daily FVG to know what the higher time frame confluences are. After that, I hopped on the 5-minute and I told myself, okay, this is an A+ potential depending on the market structure shift. Okay, so basically what this means, higher time frame confluence is on point, hourly sweep is on point. Now I'm on the 5-minute and I want to see a beautiful market structure shift in order to consider this setup A+. And check this out, guys. So we have a liquidity run right here on the 5-minute, and afterwards we have this beautiful and aggressive break of structure. Everything is looking good. Besides, we also have these two beautiful gaps. First one right here, second one right here. So everything is looking on point. We can all agree that this is an A+ setup. After that, we placed the entry right on this FVG. Okay, this was the entry. Stop loss right below. Okay, right below this low. Targeting 2RR, which is right here. Break-even level is right here. Okay, let's play the price and see what happens next. Check this out. You can play the price right here. It literally missed our entry. As you guys can see, it missed our entry by half of a pip. If you were in the session, you guys already know what I'm talking about. But it was such a beautiful setup. I was a bit upset that it missed us, but it's all good. And then we can see that it went to the upside and I disconsidered it. Okay, so this was the first opportunity, a beautiful A+ setup on GBP/USD. Now we will discuss about the second one. Okay, the second one was on NAS 100. So let me use the bar replay mode. On this sweep, I wasn't able to identify a setup. Although we had a beautiful H1 sweep, I will tell you exactly why I wasn't able to get in. On the 5-minute, we also have an aggressive shift. We have these fair value gaps, but the thing is, okay, I would have entered on this second one right here, and check this out. If I was to enter this trade here, stop loss below the low, targeting 2RR, the TP would have been past the upper liquidity level, and this for me isn't A+ anymore, okay? But let's play the price and see what happens next. You can play the price and check this out. The upper liquidity level was taken out. Now we go on the hourly time frame. I adjust this as my new low, and we can see that we are rejecting from a hourly FVG right here. So we have a H1 FVG, and we were rejecting from a 4-hour FVG as well. Bear in mind, we were here, okay? This candlestick, using the bar replay mode, it closes, but in real time we were here. So it was rejecting from this 4-hour FVG as well. So let's name it H1 plus H4 FVG. And now I knew that this could be an A+ potential, all right? So what I did next is I waited for the market structure shift, okay? So this was A+ potential. So let's play the price, okay? Price looks bearish, and boom, check this out. We have the market structure shift right here, break of structure. And entry would have been here on this fair value gap. Stop loss right above this high, targeting 2RR. But I didn't take this setup. Although it triggered, I didn't take it. And you guys already know if you were in the session. The reason I didn't take it is very simple. This market structure shift was a weak one. I wanted to see a full body closure below this low, because this told me, okay, check this out. We have this fair value gap here. Price rejected from it pretty aggressively. And this told me, hey, price could most likely do this. I literally draw this in the session, okay? And if we can play the price, we can see that that is exactly what has happened. Price literally did as I expected. It rejected from this VVG and it went towards the upside, and essentially we avoided taking a loss by not taking this trade, because like I said, it wasn't A+. So yeah, to sum up, today was a decent day in terms of volatility. However, we took no trades. On GBP/USD, we had a bit of tough luck to not get tapped into, to be missed by half of a pip. And on NASDAQ, we had a potential setup, but I didn't take it because it wasn't A+ anymore due to the weak market structure shift. Now you guys are up to date and know exactly how today went in terms of trading as well. And it was a good day. Why was it a good day? Because we were able to stick to our plan. For me, this is way more important than making profits, because I know for a fact that if I'm able to end the day, to end the week, to end the month, by respecting my plan, I know that I will be consistently profitable. And that's exactly what we were able to do today. Hence why I consider this to be a good day. As I always mention, trading is 90% waiting, and you don't need to be afraid about being selective. It is a lot better to be selective and only aim to take A+ setups instead of taking everything you see. Trust me, when you will start implementing this mindset, you will see a huge progress. That being said, it's 8 p.m. here. I still have to reply to some messages. Many people, after seeing the live session, applied for the mentoring, and now I need to get back to them. So I would probably still put in some work for the next 30 to 40 minutes. Afterwards, I will have dinner. It's gonna be a late dinner today because it was a full day. And then I will watch the Hobbit movie with my girlfriend, and probably at around 11 p.m. I will go to bed. So this, guys, is exactly how 90% of my days look like, okay? It's not trading from a beautiful restaurant or a fancy swimming pool. It's not driving a sports car for 3 hours a day whilst trading in the same time. No, 90% of days look exactly like this one, where I have a strict schedule from the time when I wake up till the time when I go to bed. Staying active, doing the tasks, putting in the work at the gym, then coming back home, back testing, trading, going live, getting back to people, and so on and so forth. But like I said, for me, I never notice how time flies by. Why? Because I love doing it. So yeah, on that note, we will wrap things up right here. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to do more, because I will for sure do so if you enjoy them. And lastly, wishing you all the best and take care.